If you want smoother, cleaner, and more professional-looking line art in Krita, then this video is going to help a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw smooth lines in Krita using the best and most reliable method for reducing handshake. This is perfect for artists who want cleaner outlines, better inking, and more confident strokes without constantly fighting shaky lines. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and digital art tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Krita and select the Freehand brush tool. You can do that quickly by pressing B on your keyboard. This is the tool you'll use for drawing your lines, so make sure it's active before you start adjusting any smoothing settings. Now look over to the Tool Options docker. In most setups, this panel is on the right side of the screen, but if you don't see it there, don't worry. You may just need to enable it from Krita's workspace or Docker options. Once you have the tool options visible, look for the Brush Smoothing drop-down menu. This setting controls how Krita handles your brush strokes as you draw. By default, the smoothing may be set to a basic option, but for the cleanest lines, you want to change it to Stabilizer. This is the best method if you want to reduce the natural shakiness in your hand and create much smoother strokes. Stabilizer works by slightly delaying your brush movement and averaging out the line, which gives you a more controlled result. After selecting Stabilizer, you'll notice some adjustment settings below it. One of the most important ones is sample count. The higher the sample count, the smoother your line will become. But keep in mind that a higher value also makes the line feel slower and more delayed, so there is a balance you need to find. If you set it too high, it may feel awkward when drawing fast. If you set it too low, the smoothing may not be strong enough. A good way to use this is to start with a moderate sample count and test a few strokes on your canvas. Draw some straight lines, curves, and circles to see how the brush responds. If your lines still feel shaky, increase the sample count a little more. If the brush feels too sluggish, lower it until it feels more natural. The goal is to find a setting that gives you clean results without making the brush uncomfortable to use. One thing that helps a lot is practicing a few test strokes before starting your actual artwork, because when you're inking or sketching, the stabilizer can make a big difference in line quality. It's especially useful for drawing character outlines, clean shapes, smooth contours, and any artwork where precision matters. If you're a beginner, this method is probably the easiest way to improve your line art immediately. You do not need to redraw everything multiple times or force your hand to be perfect. Instead, let Krita help support your drawing process with the stabilizer setting. You can also experiment with different stroke types and zoom levels to see how the smooth line effect behaves. Sometimes a setting that works great for large sweeping curves may feel different when you're drawing small details, so don't be afraid to tweak the sample count depending on the kind of art you're making. Once you've found a setting you like, you can keep using it for future sketches and ink drawings. That way, every time you open Krita, you already have a smoother workflow ready to go. And over time, this can really speed up your art process while making your line work look much more polished. So just to recap, select the Freehand brush tool with B, open the Tool Options docker, find Brush Smoothing, switch it to Stabilizer, and then adjust the sample count until the line smoothness feels right for you. That's the simplest and most effective way to draw smooth lines in Krita. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.